Hi everyone, my name is Lillian Chow. Today I'm going to talk about Google Advanced Image Search. Well, Google Image Search Basic. We all use, image uh, search before. If this is new to you, if you go to your browser and type in image.google.com into the address bar of your browser and click the Go button, and you will be able to see, to search. You will go to the Google Image homepage, and then you can search all the things that within the Google, database of all the images they have. From the main image search result page, you can change your saved search setting and access the advanced image search window. So I'm going to talk about, we all may probably use the basic search before, like this icon right here, right? Where you're going to Google image and put down like sad dog, and you will going to be able to search what you need to search. But what is the advanced image search window and what is safe search? Today I'm going to introduce you that. Okay? Well, one thing is that while you're doing a project, homework, assignment, or you're creating a meme like the homework that I assigned you to do, then you want to find a cute image to do your home to present what you have to do, or when you're doing a history project, you want to find an image that fit into your presentation. Without image, it will be very boring, right? So you're going to need to download some image from the Google image search. You can go to the image and it's easy. What you can do is that, however, how you know that this is this image, you can freely use it. Is that, do you need to worry about copyright? Well, just want to let you know that Google Image is not mean it's free to use. So how you know that what image you can use and what image you may have to pay attention. Some image may also have a copyright that you have to pay for the originator of the image. Depend on your computer operating system, you can probably drag and drop the image to your computer, and then or you can just uh, choose a right click and then save your image, right? However, for example, I was searching a set dot image right here. Well, why I'm going to want to introduce you advanced image search is it because of the user usage rights. Okay, I'm going to talk about a little bit lot more. First of all, how you to get into the advanced image search. First of all, you will see that there's a two button right here, and then you get into the two button. You can set up your image search into different size, color, type, time. Well, if you're using your phone to search for the image, well, there will be a little, icon in the front. The two button probably won't be there, but this is when you're doing it on the desktop. But there's will be an icon here that you can click and also get you to into the setting of a basic setting of what size of it, what color do you want, black and white, do you want what type, do you want a GIF, where it's a moving, or do you want a old or up to date image of certain things. Let me talk about the last thing, the last tab, usage right. Usage right has helped you find content that you can use beyond fair use. Okay, site owner can use license to let you know if and how you can reuse content from their site. To find license detail, select an image. Then what you're going to do is that when you go to usage right and do the drop down, you will be able to see two type of license. There's one license called Creative Commons license and also commercial or other license. Well, if this is a Creative Commons license, these images are usually free to use, but require credit. So you may have to say, where you get that image from. They may also have limitation on how or what you can do. So which means that you can use the picture, but you may not need it, can modify for commercial use. Like let's say if you're going to use the images for education, for your homework, for report, there's no money related. So which is fine. You can freely use those Creative Commons license like the set dot image that I have. But certain other image, if they are commercial, they are non-Creative Commons license that can be maybe either used for free. You have to check with the site, or you may require to pay. Another thing, what you can do is that you can go to the setup. If you see earlier in the page, right here, if you go to setting, you can also set your advanced image search setting permanently or for every single search while you're doing it at that time. So you don't have to do this every time. So what you can do is once you click into setting and you will see all this in your setting. You can search by word, phrase, okay, and how to narrow down to your result. Well, you can search by inputting multiple keywords to narrow down and specific your search further. You can put the ratio, how you want the pictures come out. You only want to certain ratio of the picture. You can also specific what part of the world of the picture comes from, like history homework, geography homework, and then or you can also even set it up for certain file type because maybe when your program that you upload can only upload certain type, so you will search only certain type of image. Another thing is that what we talked about safe search. You can enable safe search, which means that to block inappropriate content. For example, if you share your computer with young kid or you don't want certain image to show up which is not appropriate as a schoolwork, so you may want to just block it and click enable the safe search. And also in the usage rights setting, you can pre-select the Creative Commons license for free to use image only. So you don't have to worry, all your images not only keep safe and also it is free to use. Thank you.